Hey, Crypto Educate family, welcome back to the channel. Your support means the world to us, so please like this video, drop a comment, share it, and make sure to watch till the end. Your engagement helps us grow and brings more content your way. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to join our Telegram channel for the latest crypto updates and airdrops. Now let's dive into today's topic, Ripple's new stablecoin and the ongoing legal battle with the SEC. Ripple plans to introduce a stablecoin on the XRP ledger and Ethereum later this year, aiming to bridge traditional finance and the cryptocurrency sector. Ripple made headlines earlier this year when it disclosed that it would launch a stablecoin pegged to the American dollar. CEO BradGarlinghouse claimed the monetary product could serve as a bridge between traditional finance and the cryptocurrency sector. In a recent post on X, the team revealed further details, informing that the stablecoin will be called Ripple USD, ticker RLUSD, ticker RLUSD. It will be available on the XRP ledger and Ethereum and will see the light of day later this year. Some crypto enthusiasts, including ex-user Alex Cobb, have previously suggested that the upcoming product could become an essential factor triggering a potential price rally for Ripple's native token, XRP. Despite not being live yet, RLUSD has already become a subject of controversy. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission has labeled the product an unregistered crypto asset, continuing its long-standing legal battle with the company. The agency has been confronting Ripple for years. It filed a lawsuit in December 2020, accusing the firm and some of its executives of illegally raising more than $1.3 billion by selling XRP in an unregistered security offering. The case reached its trial phase in April this year and passed through numerous developments in the following months. Some might view the SEC as the underdog since Ripple secured 3 partial court wins in 2023, which resulted in a substantial price resurgence for XRP. The launch of RLUSD is not the only thing the company plans to focus on in the next 3 years. Earlier this year, CEO Garlinghouse stated that expanding globally remains one of the other priorities we are going to keep expanding, even though the US market, partly from a regulatory point of view, has been slow to adopt. The non-US market has been really strong for us. The boss also outlined Ripple's ambition to dominate the future financial infrastructure, emphasizing XRP's potential role in the monetary system. We think that opportunity is huge. We think that's going to be great for Ripple. We think it's going to be great for XRP, so I'm very optimistic about that. I just think that the US needs to figure it out. In the ongoing legal battle between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Stuart Alderoty, Chief Legal Officer at Ripple, has shared insights into the current state of the case. This update comes as the cryptocurrency community closely watches the proceedings and their potential impact on the XRP token. According to Alderoty, the SEC appears to be experiencing significant frustration with the case's progression. He notes that Ripple has maintained a strong defense strategy, refusing to concede ground in the legal dispute. This stance has apparently irked the regulatory body, which has been pursuing action against Ripple since late 2020. A key point highlighted by Alderoty is the court's decision regarding XRP classification. He states that the court has provided clarity indicating that XRP is not considered a security. This ruling is crucial for Ripple and the broader cryptocurrency industry, as it potentially sets a precedent for how digital assets may be viewed under securities law. The SEC is raging. Ripple defended itself, agreeing to nothing. The court gave clarity that XRP is not a security. There are no victims to compensate. And worst of all for the SEC, Ripple is thriving, but at least SEC seems to have abandoned its absurd demand for $2 billion. Alderoty emphasizes that there are no victims requiring compensation in this case. This statement suggests that the SEC allegations of harm to investors may not have found substantial ground in the court's view. Despite the ongoing legal battle, Alderoty reports that Ripple is thriving. This assertion indicates that the company has managed to maintain its operations and potentially even expand, regardless of the regulatory scrutiny it faces. In a noteworthy development, Alderoty mentions that the SEC seems to have abandoned its previous demand for $2 billion from Ripple. This change in stance could signal a reassessment of the SEC position or strategy in the case. While the legal proceedings continue to unfold, the XRP token's price action has remained relatively subdued. The price of XRP has been moving sideways within this range, lacking significant momentum in either direction. If we look at the potential breakout scenarios, one bullish scenario is a break above the 55.7 cents resistance, which could potentially drive the price towards 59 cents. In the bearish scenario, if the price falls below the 46 cent support, it might decline further to around 41 cents. As the legal case progresses and market conditions evolve, the cryptocurrency community remains attentive to both the courtroom developments and XRP price action. The outcome of this case could have far-reaching implications for Ripple, XRP, and the broader cryptocurrency market. Let's talk about the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit update. Regulator responds to letter regarding Terraform Labs judgment. The SEC slammed Ripple for citing Terraform Labs example for lower settlement and shares differences between two cases. The regulator notes that a much larger penalty, $102.6 million, is applicable to Ripple, not the $10 million. Ripple received a response from the SEC. The U.S. financial regulator addressed Ripple's arguments on fines proposed by the SEC. The payment remittance firm proposed a $10 million settlement against SEC request of $2 billion in fines and settlement. The CCC responded to the request and explained the difference between the fines imposed on Terraform Labs, the circumstances, and how the firm went out of business for good. In its letter, the regulator highlights that two of the board members from the time of the violation stepped down. The firm shut its operations, burned the keys to digital asset wallets, and took the necessary steps for the $420 million securities violation. In the case of Ripple, the SEC argues that the firm is agreeing to nothing, continues to operate, and fails to recognize or acknowledge its violation of securities laws. The response quotes a settlement amount of $102.6 million against Ripple's offer of $10 million in fines. XRP failed to break past 50 cents. Ripple failed to close above the 50 cents barrier all week. The altcoin's price is nearly unchanged on a 7-day time frame on Binance. XRP ranged below sticky resistance at 50 cents, and technical indicators show that the altcoin could extend its losses. XRP could drop to support at the April 19th low of 46.65 cents, marking a decline of nearly 5%. The moving average convergence diverges MACD indicator flashes red histogram bars under the neutral line, supporting the bearish thesis for XRP. If Ripple sees a daily candlestick close above 50 cents, it could invalidate the bearish thesis for XRP, and the altcoin could surge past May 21st high of 55 cents. Thanks for sticking with us till the end. Remember to comment, share, and subscribe. Join our Telegram channel for more updates and airdrops. Until next time, stay educated and stay crypto.